Doing It My Way is the debut studio album by the X Factor Series 3 runner-up Ray Quinn. The album was recorded at Capitol Records Tower in Los Angeles in January 2007. It was released on March 12, 2007 and entered the UK Albums Chart at number 1 the following week, making Quinn the first person ever to have a number 1 album without releasing a single. It sold 126,985 copies in its first week, enough to be certified gold. Ain't That a Kick in the Head? Sammy Kahn, Jimmy Van Heusen, 231. Fly Me to the Moon, Bart Howard, 227. My Way, Paul Anka, Claude Francois, Jacques Rivaud, Gilles Thibault, 429. That's Life, Kelly Gordon, Dean K, 313. Matt the Knife, Mark Blitzstein, Bertolt Brecht, Kurtwell, 302. Smile, Charlie Chaplin, John Turner, Jethried Parsons, 239. The Way You Look Tonight, Jerome Kern, Dorothy Fields, 411. Summer Wind, Hans Bradka, Henry Mayer, Johnny Mercer, 244. What a Wonderful World, Bob Thiele, George David Weiss, 215. Mr. Bojangles, Jerry Jeff Walker, 325. New York, New York, John Kander, Fred Ebb, 309. Credits taken from AllMusic and Doing It My Way's liner notes. References